When it comes to enhancing the first impression of your Manassas home, few things have as big of an impact as the front door. After all, the front door serves as both the literal and figurative entryway into your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to freshen up the appearance of your property, installing a new front door is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your home's curb appeal. Here's how a new front door can make a significant difference for your Manassas home. Instantly updates your home's look. The front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. If your current door is outdated, worn, or lacks personality, it can detract from the overall look of your property. Installing a new front door can instantly refresh your home's exterior, making it feel modern, inviting, and stylish. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door with a rich finish or a sleek, contemporary design, a new door can complement your home's architectural style, adding a fresh, vibrant touch. Increases home value. A new front door doesn't just improve aesthetics, it can also increase your home's value. If you're planning to sell your home in Manassas, a new door is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. According to home improvement experts, homeowners often recoup a significant portion of the cost of a new door when selling their home. Potential buyers are likely to appreciate the appeal of a well-designed front door that enhances the overall look of the house and improves security. Even if you're not selling anytime soon, investing in a new front door adds value to your home, making it a worthwhile long-term investment. Additionally, a high-quality door can improve energy efficiency, helping to reduce heating and cooling costs, further adding to the home's value. Improves security and safety. Your front door doesn't just need to look good, it also plays a crucial role in keeping your family safe. Older doors, particularly those made of lightweight materials or with weak locks, can compromise the security of your home. A new front door offers the opportunity to upgrade your home's safety features. Look for doors made of durable materials like solid wood, fiberglass, or steel, and consider adding a reinforced lock or smart lock system for added security. With a new, secure front door, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected from intruders. Boosts energy efficiency. Many older doors are poorly insulated, allowing drafts to enter your home and cool air to escape, driving up your energy bills. A new front door, especially one that's energy efficient, can help you maintain a more comfortable indoor temperature and reduce energy costs. Look for doors with energy-efficient features, such as low emissivity, low-E, glass, insulation cores, and weather stripping to seal gaps. For homeowners in Manassas, where temperatures can range from hot summers to chilly winters, a new front door can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Personalizes your home. Your front door is an opportunity to express your personal style and make a statement. With a variety of materials, colors, and designs to choose from, a new door can be tailored to reflect your personality and taste. Whether you want to make a bold statement with a bright-colored door or create a warm, inviting entrance with a traditional wood finish, the front door sets the tone for the rest of your home. In a community like Manassas, where homes range from historic to modern, a personalized front door can help your home stand out while still complementing the neighborhood's character. Complements landscaping and other exterior features. A new front door can also tie in seamlessly with other elements of your home's exterior, such as landscaping, porch features, and exterior paint. For example, if you've recently updated your garden or added new lighting, a stylish front door can act as the focal point that pulls everything together. Consider coordinating the color and style of the door with other exterior features for a cohesive, polished look that elevates your entire home. Enhances curb appeal. Ultimately, curb appeal is all about creating an inviting, attractive exterior that draws attention for all the right reasons. A new front door enhances the visual appeal of your home, making it look well-maintained and inviting. Whether it's through a bold color, a unique design, or an upgraded material, a new front door helps elevate your home's curb appeal, making a positive impression on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. Conclusion. In Manassas, where homes reflect a variety of architectural styles, a new front door is an effective way to enhance the beauty, value, and functionality of your home. Whether you're looking to boost curb appeal, improve security, or add a personal touch to your home, a new front door is a smart investment that can transform your property. If you're ready to make a change, consider exploring your options for a door that complements your style and meets your needs. With the right door, you'll enjoy both a beautiful and secure entrance for years to come.